The Progressive Dynamics PD4590CSV is a dedicated replacement converter section that restores reliable power management to compatible Inteli-Power 4500 series panels in recreational vehicles and similar setups. Its 90-amp output provides strong, stable direct current power that can comfortably support multiple onboard systems and battery charging demands at the same time. The unit is designed for front access, making installation, inspection, and future service much easier in tight converter compartments. Progressive Dynamics uses a well-proven converter platform in this model, so voltage regulation and battery protection are generally very consistent over long-term use. Despite its substantial power capacity, the converter section itself is relatively compact and light, which helps when working in cramped electrical bays. Overall, this replacement section is a solid choice for restoring or upgrading a Progressive Dynamics power center if you want dependable performance without redoing your entire electrical system.